This mine exists to supply the steelworks with iron ore concentrate. Essentially, we're the first step in a long supply chain. We have to get all the slurry we grind up and we have to pump it to Whyalla, which is 67 kilometres away. The pumped slurry of that density and over that long distance, we need some pretty powerful pumps, which is where the GEHO pumps come in.
At the concentrator, we have 2 GEHO positive displacement pumps, the most critical pieces of equipment we have on the plant.
They pump the slurry at about 250 cubes an hour, 300 tonnes an hour into town. And without them, we'd be up the creek, really. We run one for a certain amount of hours before we have to maintain it, then we swap to the other pump. These things run every day, all day.
And the support from Weir Minerals is key to making that happen.
Aftermarket support from Weir Minerals is significant.
We certainly put the equipment in because we know it's going to last. We know it's got defined maintenance intervals and that will allow us to run them as hard as we can. It means that we can ensure each pump runs for the nominal amount of hours without any risk of breakdown.
That being said, it's a pretty big piece of kit. It's a pretty important piece of kit. We treat it like it's our own baby as it is theirs.
And that's why the GEHO pumps are there.
If we didn't have the GEHO and it didn't operate properly, then essentially the pipeline's at risk. And the pipeline is the lifeblood of not only us, but also Whyalla.